Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unbagging the Sephora play bag for January 2020. And yes, I know I said I was going to cancel this, and then I totally forgot. And then they billed me, and then they shipped it, and then it arrived. So I'm going to open it with you guys today. Anyway, before I get started, if you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. If you like the video while you're watching it, hit the like button, and any comments you would choose to leave me are always appreciated in the comment section down below. All right, let's go ahead and get in. The theme for this month is, I don't even know what. It says Stress Busting Beauty Chart, and it has all of the signs on it. I guess it's stress-free beauty is what this side of the paper says, is stress-free beauty. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and just start pulling items out because this is not my favorite box/bag, and I meant to cancel it and I forgot. So I'm going to really try to remember. In fact, I might actually cancel it after I turn off the camera so that I don't forget for next month. All right, and then again, February is like Valentine's Day, and they should hopefully have something nice in the February bag. I don't know. Anyway, let's pull this item out right here. It is a perfume. It is the Viktor and Rolf Magic Sage Spell perfume. I am not going to even open this because perfumes and I do not get along. I am very sensitive to scents, and I typically cannot be around perfumes. So I will read to you what it says about it, though. This is the bonus item. It's from Viktor and Rolf, the Magic Sage Spell. You don't need to be an earth sign to appreciate this woody herbal scent that warms and rejuvenates simultaneously. It's a need-to-know brand. The fragrance family is earthy and woody. The top note is pink grapefruit. The middle note is sage, and the base note is green tea leaf. So that is going to go in my little box of perfumes. And then my husband is a teacher. He will bring the whole box once I get it like kind of full and take it into his school and leave it in the teacher's lounge, and it always disappears. So let's go ahead back into the bag. I'm just happy that someone can get a good usage out of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, let's pull this out first. I have like a ton of these little things. So this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. This is from Smashbox. It is the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. It's a good primer. Honestly, if you like a silicone primer, this is a pretty good one. I just have a lot of them already in my drawer and a lot of them open, to be honest with you. So I'm not going to keep another one if I can give it to you guys, and you'll get good usage out of it. Doesn't make sense to, hold on to it if someone else can use it. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Take the stress out of foundation application with this smoothing, flaw-disguising, clear gel primer that makes your makeup last and last. How to use? Massage a dime-size amount onto clean, dry skin to prep your skin for flawless foundation application. So all right, back into the bag. Let's pull this out next. All right, so this is from Glam Glow, and this is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. I think, well, I'm pretty sure it's a mask, but that is the packaging right there. Okay. All right, so this is the Glam Glow Super Mud Activated Charcoal Treatment Mask. Allow this purifying charcoal-infused mask to provide clarity for your skin and your psyche. How to use. Spread a thin layer over clean, dry skin, or spot treat blemishes and visible pores and leave on until it hardens. You'll feel it tingle. Rinse off with warm water. I do have a blemish on my chin, and maybe I will open this up and give it a try tonight before bed as a spot treatment. I've never tried a mask as a spot treatment. I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. All right, cool. Next item in the bag is, let's pull this out right here. So this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is probably my favorite black liquid eyeliner, to be honest with you. It is a brush tip. It works really well for me and my novice skill level. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry out. I already have one open. I actually have a full size open, but I am going to keep this just because if I'm going to use a liquid liner and I have a preference, this is probably the one that I will pull out. I like this one, and then I like the Physicians Formula liner as well. So I have several other liquid liners, but I'm not a big fan of them. So this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. The stars align to create this jet black liner that allows for tattoo-like precision and easy peasy iconic cat eye application. How to use? Start at the inner corner of the eyelid and slowly draw across, adding more pressure for a thicker line and less pressure for a thinner line. All right, I'm back into the bag. Let's pull this out right here. So this is the Gimme Brow Plus. It is in the shade 2 Warm Golden Blonde, which is, I think, the shade that I would need. So I'm going to keep this for myself and utilize it because it is a shade that I can use. My roots aren't exactly Warm Golden Blonde, but my fake color is. So this is from Benefit Cosmetics. It is the Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in Warm Golden Blonde. Prepare to have out-of-this-world brows after you apply this volumizing, water-resistant brow gel in a light brown shade. How to use? Use the custom tapered tip to apply in short upward strokes to create defined, natural-looking brows. Now, I do have pretty full brows, but I am getting older, and I'm going to be honest, some of them are starting to turn white. I think I have like 1 or 2 white hairs on my left brow, and I think I have 1 on my right brow. So they're getting there. They're just starting. So having a tinted brow gel is probably not a bad thing as I continue to age. Let's pull the last item out of the entire box or bag or whatever you want to call it. This is probably the one item that I am most excited for, and there's literally like nothing in the little tub. Like, yeah. There's like nothing in here. How much is in here? Does it say how much is in here? 0.18 ounces or 5 milliliters. But I will use this whole thing if I like it. So this is the Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. It's from Shiseido. So it's a nice brand. The Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Cream. We foresee intense hydration for the next 24 hours after applying this clear gel moisturizer featuring carrot and peony extracts. Meet the ingredients: whole carrot cells, high in water and nutrients. Carrot cells keep skin ultra hydrated. And then peony root extract contains antioxidants and helps brighten complexion. So that is my entire Sephora play. I did pay, I believe it was $10.60 for this. I'm glad they have not raised their prices like some of the other $10 boxes have recently. But honestly, I think that they are having a very difficult time selling these right now. At least over the holidays, several old bags were on sale for $9 each instead of the $10 because I think people are just dropping this. I mean, if you look at the sizes of these, this was $10. And these were the sizes. I mean, I can fit the entire bag in my one hand. And I don't have huge hands. You know, I mean, to me, it's just not worth it, especially if I'm paying about the same price for like an Ipsy and I'm getting full-size products sometimes in Ipsy. Like even like an eyeliner. If I was getting this in my Ipsy bag, this would probably be a full-size eyeliner. So I've been meaning to cancel this for a while. I really like this product right here, but there's like nothing here. Like this is the same size of container that I've gotten like the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it's kind of just like, really? If there's one thing that I will have to say about Sephora is I shop at Sephora less often than I shop at Ulta, and the main reason is because of the rewards program. I much prefer the Ulta rewards program, much more. The only thing is that there are certain products that you can't get at Ulta. Like do they sell Shiseido? I don't think they sell Shiseido. I know that Ulta doesn't sell Glam Glow. At least I don't think so. Maybe they've started picking up more brands than they used to. Ulta is now not only a nice mix of high-end and drugstore priced items, but they've been picking up some nice products recently, like nicer brands and like more expensive brands that have always been traditionally like Sephora only. So yeah, I think it's time to cancel this. I meant to do it in December and I totally forgot. So with the holidays and stuff, like I just totally forgot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. What are your thoughts? Do you think I should cancel? I think you guys have been pretty much telling me go ahead and cancel it for months now, and I just keep forgetting. So I'm definitely going to go on. I'm going to cancel it. I'm just going to say done with it and be done. So this is my last Sephora play bag. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I don't know why you haven't yet. About 60% of the people who watch my channel don't subscribe. Come on, why not? Let's do it. It's one little click. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.